So I'm still waiting for my veggies, ne? I'm with the Alex Region E Brazilian food program. I'm under the program. I was put on it by Adapt after I went through all that I went through with illegal foreigners vandalizing my home, stripping me of electricity and stuff. So here we're still waiting. I'm number 300 and something. So the line has actually moved from the first video that I did. And one of the things that I like here in Alex, Bakutwana has worked. So here in Alex, there's no child who goes without food. So I've seen some kids who are coming from school. They're gonna get their meals here. They're gonna get their meals, and they call it pagesa in Alexandra. What they do, they come, and then there's somebody who has prepared today. So today they've prepared some pap and some yummy bean soup. Ooh. And some pap as well. So, but abantwana kuphela abadala nabantu abadala. Okay, so anyone. One. Oh, okay. So anyone who is hungry, uyeza aphakise.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Tell me, imali nithola kuphi imali yokwenza yonke lento le?
Umama wathenga.
Uyathenga out of pocket yakhe.
Yeah.
Ama sponsors niyawadinga because Alex it's closer to ama factories amaningi. If somebody were to say no, listen, ngifuna ukusponsora ukudla or whatever, are you guys, do you take that or?
We do take it.
Oh, okay. So uzamela abantwana ke manje. So this is what I like. I also had. Huh? Oh, okay. I also and the apple. I remember my son and I came, and we came late, but they also gave him like a fruit and some chips. So yeah, this is basically what Alex is about. There's no one who can go hungry, but for a long time, people who are not from Alex, people who are here illegally, have been chowing what Alex people have worked hard for. So yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Follow me Twitter Ndabeni K, Kanye Ndabeni on YouTube, Facebook Kanye Swa Ndabeni, and Kanye Swa SA on Instagram. Ciao ciao.